Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today what I got for you today, I got a little bit of a DIY. I love doing these are really cool. If you're wondering what this is, I thought about something fun. So this will be sort of like a POV DIY video, and I thought why not just drop this over to my head, and I don't know, I guess I'll have a good time with it. We'll see how it comes out in editing and stuff like that. I went ahead and I picked up a hood damper, and the hood damper that I went with, it's from a company called Redline Tuning. I'll show it to you guys right here. I went with the carbon fiber finish. When they ship it to you, they ship it in this nice little tube. Like, hey, it's a perfect little shipping tube here. So before I start doing the install, I just want to let you guys know, thank you for following along. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. If you've been following along, from the beginning, thanks a lot. I really appreciate that. And before I really get into the install, I'll tell you like something that I did that's kind of like a douchebag move, but not really. So I got the box and or the tube, I didn't open it for a couple days. I was like, I'll do this later when, things are ready, when I'm ready to do it. I went ahead and I took out the box from the shipping or whatever, the material from the shipping, and I only see one, and I'm like, that's odd, but maybe it's one of those deals where like they tell you, hey, in the fine print, this is only one, you gotta buy two though. And I'm like I already started getting like, oh, that kind of sucks. But, that's okay, I'll email them, but I emailed them like, hey guys, what's up? I only got one. Is this how it's supposed to be? I thought it was pretty like standoffish or whatever. But kudos to them. If you guys start watching this, Redline Tuning, they emailed me back within like 5 or 10 minutes. They said, no, this kit only requires one. All right, I'm gonna put this camera on and I'll get right into the business of doing things. How about that? Okay. And away we go. I don't think we're gonna need more than just these tools here. If you see this oil filter here, it's basically because I'm gonna do an oil change after this. The dyno is only a couple days away, so you're probably watching this and we may already know what the results of the dyno tune is, as far as how much power and stuff this thing is making. But yeah, take a look. I don't know if you can see it here. Nice carbon fiber finish. Let's see. So yeah, as I said, no instructions. There might be some on their website, I don't know. I can't recall if the ones I installed this were so long ago, their design was a little bit different. So here we go. We got some nuts and washers, and this. Pretty obvious where this goes. So there's two different ones here. Why? Why do we have two different ones? I don't know. Anyway, so this one goes here. Think. But why are we, let me see if there's any more hardware in here. No, there's some stuff. Ah! Man, that stuff's slippery. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and, okay, so it looks like you unbolt the top one, you put this on, you don't worry about the bottom bolt, and then the doohickey goes right here. The bottom, they sent you two bottom doohickeys, I guess. Unpack everything, gather required tools. I need a 13mm socket. Okay. Time to get a 13mm socket. this should be a 12. 12. 13, 13, 16, 1/2, 13. I'm going to try to find a long 13. 14. Wow, I'm finding all of my common ones, which is unusual. 13. Got it. I have a 13. All right. And I thought we were going to need a 12. Okay. So I'm going to start at the top. Okay. Okay, so the bottom bolt is nice and secure, so I don't have to worry about that thing moving. This is actually pretty nice. Of course it would be nice. These guys thought about what they were doing. Okay, before I tighten that, I want to make sure. Okay, haha, starting the opposite way. Bolt joint should be inward, so inward it is. Tighten the hood hinge using a 13 millimeter. Tighten down hood hinge bolt using a 13 millimeter socket. Okay. That's not a 13. That's a 10. Okay. So time to remove this sucker right here. Where's my 10? There we go. 10, 13. I'm actually going to work with this one. I like this one a lot because it swivels. And when you do stuff like what I just did here, where like you did it and then you could just do all this because it's short. Or just do this. There we go. Let me adjust this camera here because I think we're getting a bunch of stuff we don't need to see. There we go. I think that's okay. Now I'm going to switch to 13. Actually, what I will do, I'm going to put a washer because it came with a washer. So why not? Right? If it came with a washer, put a washer in there. Okay. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's not really a 13, that's probably a 1/2. But they assume all Honda guys don't have standard tools, only metric. Okay, so up next, for installing the actual thingamabob, okay, install the extended gas strut to the ball stud on the head, on the fender. Okay. Note C below. So it's going to be like this. All right. To install the gas strut, be sure that the hood stud upper attachment gets the large end of the gas spring with extended strut to the fender ball stud. Having the housing on top will allow the gas spring slowly to release, functionally to work properly. Okay, so basically they're telling you this is the fat side, it should go up. Don't put it like this because that won't work. Sometimes less is more. Sometimes less is more. Use a flathead screwdriver, minor little one here. So, how do I remove? Will this just go in? Yeah, it will. Now, I have to, oops, drop the hood. This is where it would help to have my helper here. Now I gotta use my head. I'm gonna tighten this. That, I didn't tighten it. Tight. Tight. Okay, so there you have it. Nice chrome finish. I think it's time for a dry run. How about that? Listen to that. Let's pop it, pop it, pop it. Gotta help it a little bit. There you go. Man, that's nice. It doesn't open quite as high as it did before, but can't be mad at that. That is clean. Can't believe only one strut does the whole thing. That's awesome. So there you have it. Very nice, fun, easy install. I honestly can't be any happier with it. I've been wanting, a hood damper for this car since I bought it. And shout out to Matt Fuller. You are a great support for this channel. For me personally, just getting all the stuff, all your comments on the live stream every time you join, you're great. But best of all, I put that out there in one of like 2-3 videos back. You were like one of the first to hit me up like, hey, check out these people, they're really good. And you know what, you were right. Customer service was on point. The quality of the finish is on point. Congrats to them for putting out a nice product. This is not in any way like a sponsored item. I bought this for I think $80 or something like that. I was surprised it was so cheap, but you only have one, so that's why it's so cheap, and that's all you need there. So I'm really happy. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, give it a like, subscribe down below. Thank you. Thanks a lot.